Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered what's out there in space? Get ready to explore the amazing universe. Today, we'll learn some fun and easy space words, like rocket, planet, moon, and more. So buckle up. Space Explorer 3, 2, 1, blast off. Rocket. A rocket is a special spaceship that zooms up into space. Whoosh. Can you say rocket? Rocket. Earth. Earth is the planet we live on. It's round, blue, and full of life. Earth. Moon. The moon is Earth's friend in the sky. It glows at night and has craters. Moon. Sun. The sun is a big hot star. It gives us light and keeps us warm every day. Sun. Planet. A planet is a big ball that goes around the sun. Earth is a planet. Can you name more? Mercury, Venus, Mars, planet. Star. Stars twinkle in the sky at night. The sun is also a star, but it's much closer to us. Star. Astronaut. An astronaut is a space explorer. They wear spacesuits and travel in rockets. Astronaut. Well, you did a great job learning space words. Let's say them one more time together. Rocket, Earth, moon, and sun. Planets and stars. Learning is fun. Astronauts fly in outer space. Zoom, zoom, zoom to a new place. Great job. Space explorers, you learned so many new words. Don't forget to look up at the stars and imagine your own space adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.